Adventure is about crossing borders, exploring, and finding yourself in a whole new world. The most compact Jeep yet, and our first all-electric model, the 2023 Jeep Avenger features a muscular yet compact outline shielded by the 360 degrees body protection. The bold aesthetic reflects Jeep's iconic personality. Its signature 7-slot grille, contrasting black roof and front and rear full LED lights make the 2023 Jeep Avenger recognizable at first sight. Jeep says the 2023 Jeep Avenger is about 4.1 meters long, which equals about 161 inches, and it rides on 18-inch wheels. Thanks to short overhangs, the tiny Uda has a 20-degree approach angle and a 32-degree departure angle. It also has about 7.9 inches of ground clearance. Jeep says it even has hill descent control and skid plates. Of course, we doubt many Avenger drivers will try to tackle truly treacherous terrain. It's quite boxy down the side with a funky alloy wheel design on the launch edition, while there's also black cladding around the bottom edge and a contrasting roof. The black cladding continues at the back, where you also get chunky lights with sharp interior detailing. The 2023 Jeep Avenger comes with a very similar face to other Jeep models, and that means a two-tiered grille with a square design up top, with a narrower one lower down. There are also thin daytime running lights and metallic trim pieces. The modern and digitally enabled interior of the 2023 Jeep Avenger creates a seamless and connected driving experience. Its functionality and flexibility are unparalleled. With extensive storage, you can fit all the luggage and passengers you need, and keep your day-to-day essentials, smartphone, house keys, water bottle, beauty case, and sunglasses close to hand. Inside the 2023 Jeep Avenger, every journey becomes an experience. Sit back and relax during every trip thanks to the warm and cozy seats, and enjoy the exclusive yellow and black color scheme, yellow dashboard accents, and the multicolored ambient lights. The only slight disappointment is that there's no adjustable lumbar support in the driver's seat of any version of the 2023 Jeep Avenger. All trim levels come with a 10.25 inches infotainment touchscreen, which is positioned high up in the dashboard so it's fairly easy to view while driving. It's easy to use, too, thanks to an intuitive operating system and quick responses to prods of the screen. You have to pay extra for built-in SAT and AV on the cheaper trim levels, but we really wouldn't bother because all Avengers come with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone mirroring. That means you can sync up your phone and run navigation apps, such as Google Maps and Waze, through the screen instead. Admittedly, so far we've only experienced the 2023 Jeep Avenger in range-topping Summit form. This trim level gets a gold bar that stretches right across the face of the dashboard, which changes to silver on the mid-level altitude. If you go for entry-level longitude trim, then the face of the dashboard is, instead, covered in a textured gray plastic. This looks rather less appealing in the photos we've seen. Drive electric and totally stress-free. The first 100% electric Jeep registered combines the performance and excitement of driving a Jeep registered with all-electric power. Travel with ease. 3 minutes of charging are enough to guarantee over 18 miles of range with 100 kilowatts DC fast charging. That's your average daily range topped up during a quick coffee break. Plus, enjoy the freedom to choose the best charging solution for you with multiple on-the-go or at-home solutions. When you're tired of the daily grind, get out of the city and experience the freedom of no emissions on a drive in your new SUV. When you choose a car, you choose a lifestyle. The 2023 Jeep Avenger stands out for its determination and adventurous spirit, all within a compact outline. Its select terrain registered and hill descent control technology allow you to adapt to any weather conditions, rain, snow, ice, you name it. Plus, with the 2023 Jeep Avenger's generous ground clearance, you'll be ready to face even the most extreme conditions. Few crossovers nail the shrunken off-roader aesthetic as well as the 2023 Jeep Avenger. It's got some modest off-road bragging rights, too. With 200mm ground clearance, the same as Jeep's flagship Grand Cherokee SUV, and very short bodywork overhangs, it can tackle surprisingly steep slopes without scraping the ground. A trick traction control system, which can be adjusted for different terrain, ensures easy forward progress. Certainly, it's very impressive for a compact front-wheel drive crossover of this type.